welcome back to my channel. My name is Sade. It is so weird saying my name, but I'm gonna start saying it in some of my videos. So I know some of y'all don't know how to pronounce my name, so I'm gonna start saying it in some of my videos. But y'all, yeah, we just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder who it's from. I'm so lame. I know y'all used to watch Blue's Clues. They came from Blue's Clues. But anyways, y'all, I got me a ring light. I am so freaking excited that I finally got me a ring light. So let's open this thing up and see what it do. Okay, y'all. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna first open the box. And this is called the Wonew selfie ring light with tripod stand. It is a 12-inch. So yeah. So this is what it looked like. The Wonew ring light, selfie ring light. Anyway, let's open it up and see what it do. And it was very affordable. And I got it off Amazon Prime. I am a Prime member. So this ring light came in like 2 days. So it comes with a carrying case. So this is what it looks like when you open it. It's the carrying case. It comes with a stand. So yeah, open this boy up. Okay. It's long. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So, what's this look like? Okay, let's open the actual light up. Okay. This is just some little cards, a little manual book. Okay. And it is like Bluetooth. You have to, I mean not Bluetooth, but you have to use a adapter. So you can't just plug it in the wall. You have to use an adapter. Good thing I have a lot of them. Okay. This is what it looks like. Perfect size. And it comes with a little stand for your phone. So we won't be having these issues no more, y'all, with my lighting. Y'all see in this video, my lighting is bad. It's bad. And it comes with a little remote for your phone. So I was reading all the reviews on Amazon, and it was nothing but good reviews. Nothing but good reviews. I don't think I read not one bad review about this ring light. So that's why I decided to get it. You got the little battery. Plug it up and see what it do. Okay, y'all. I plugged it up. This is what it's looking like. It has the different settings you can set it to. You can do it brighter. What is this less? Turn it all the way down. You can turn it all the way up. So yeah, I like it. I like it. This is gonna be perfect for my videos. I'm gonna put my phone in there. See, this thing bends down. Rotate it. Let me try to put my phone in there and see how it's gonna be with my phone in there. Okay, see, I got my phone in there. Getting it down. I'm about to take a picture to see. Yeah, I also got a tripod. I got this from Walmart.com. It also came with a holder for my phone and a carrying case. So, okay, yeah. So it was very affordable. I think it was like $19.99, and the ring light was $54.99, I believe. Like a bigger, but yeah, I got a tripod. Y'all know I've been saying I wanted a tripod, so I got one. It fits my camera and my phone. It does what it needed to do for my videos. So, y'all see, I'm gonna insert some pictures as well. This is my tripod. It is another laptop. The laptop I got is like super old. It's outdated. It's a Toshiba. I got it way back in like insert some pictures as well. Absolutely love my tripod. It does like that. To do. What is outdated? And, yeah, I got the tripod. I mean, I got the ring light on the laptop, so you can see. You get a better camera in the future, but I absolutely love my camera. So that's that. I just gotta figure out how. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys click the bell so you'll be notified when I post. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.